Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Insurify for quote tracking step by step clearly. To start authenticating with Insurify for quote tracking, visit the Insurify website. Look for the Sign In or Get Started button on the homepage. Click on the button to proceed to the authentication page. If you are a new user, select the option to create an account. Fill out the required fields, which typically include your name, email address, and a password. Make sure to use a strong password for security purposes. After completing the form, click the Create Account button. You may need to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from Insurify. Click the link provided in the email to confirm your account. Once your email is verified, return to the Insurify website. Click on the Sign In button again. Enter your email address and password in the login fields. After logging in, you may be prompted to set up two-factor authentication for added security. If so, follow the instructions to complete the two-factor authentication setup. Once logged in, navigate to the quote tracking section of your account. Here, you can view and manage your insurance quotes. To add new quotes, follow the prompts in the quote tracking section. Fill in the necessary details about your insurance preferences and personal information. After providing the information, click Get Quotes to initiate the quote tracking process. Monitor your dashboard for updates on your quotes as they come in. You can also access your account settings at any time to update your information. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Help section or contact Insurify support. Now you are ready to use Insurify for effective quote tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.